If you love warm, comforting bowl of tomato soup, you have to try this Indian style version. It is incredibly flavorful, made with simple ingredients, and makes the perfect starter or light meal. Let's make it. Start by heating a pan over medium heat, add a little oil, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add 1 bay leaf. This gives the soup such a beautiful aroma and adds a subtle depth of flavor. Next, add half an onion, roughly chopped. Saute the onion for about 2 minutes just until it starts to soften. Now add 3 cloves of garlic, about 1 inch of ginger. Saute everything together for another couple of minutes until the garlic and ginger becomes nice and fragrant. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. I love using Kashmiri chili powder because it gives the soup a beautiful color without making it overly spicy. If you don't have it, you can use smoked paprika for a milder smoky flavor or cayenne pepper if you prefer your soup spicy. Give the spices a quick roast for about 30 seconds. Now add 5 roughly chopped tomatoes. I'm also adding stems from fresh coriander. They have so much flavor, so I always like to use them instead of throwing them away. Season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and just little sugar. The sugar isn't there to make soup sweet, it simply helps balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes. Now add water, just enough to submerge the tomatoes. I ended up using about 2 cups of water, but the exact amount can vary depending upon the size and juiciness of your tomatoes. Bring this to a boil. Then cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. You want the tomatoes to become completely soft and mushy like this. Once everything is nicely cooked, turn off the heat, take out bay leaf and transfer the mixture to a blender. Blend until you get a completely smooth and creamy looking mixture. If you are in a hurry, you can absolutely use hand blender directly in the pan. At this point, you can also choose whether or not you want to strain the soup. I personally like straining it because it gives the soup a really smooth silky texture. Pour the blended soup through a strainer and press it through using back of a spoon. And look how smooth that is. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ketchup. It is a little secret for balancing the flavor. It adds just the right amount of tanginess and sweetness and really brings all the flavors together. Bring the soup back to a gentle boil, taste it and adjust the salt and pepper if needed. And that's it, your delicious Indian style tomato soup is ready. If you prefer a slightly thicker soup, you can mix a little cornstarch with water to make a slurry and add it to the soup while stirring. I'm keeping mine nice and smooth and comforting. And of course, we are finishing this the Indian way. I'm garnishing it with a little fresh cream and some crispy bread croutons. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching.